guys, so today we are going to be opening Ultimate Slimy Goop. So this is all the, I think it's colors. My sister wants to know if this is really quicksand or not. I don't know. So it comes with mixing tools and containers and mix and make 10 fun creations. This is all the stuff that you can see for right now. This is everything you're gonna need. This is the back. So that right there, it says sodium. You know what? I don't even know. Let's not pay attention to that. And just in case it doesn't come with borax, we have borax water from my last video. So, Sienna, do the honors of opening it.
Okay.
The right way is to open it this way. It's safety tested, guys. I did not do it that way. It's safety tested, okay? See, it says right there. So we're gonna wait until she opens it. Okay? Well, she didn't open it, but I kind of helped her with that because she was trying to open on the wrong side. Tell the truth. You know you did that.
I'm just kidding.
I know you did. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay.
I'm just kidding. No, get away.
Okay. So we made slime over there with marbles, as you can see right there. There it is. I slime with marbles. There it is. Okay. That's the marbles. I bet y'all are wondering, but we're gonna do another video of showing that. So much noise. So much noise. So much noise included. Look at this.
Put that to the side.
So, here. Let's put that back in. Let's rewind that, guys. Okay. There it is. There's glue, dye, containers, something to mix with, some stuff, and then some stuff inside of it, some stuff inside of it. We have Google eyes, we have some beads. Yes, guys, it comes with beads.
Look, it's powder, glow in the dark powder.
Guys, this is glow in the dark powder. It's gonna be so awesome. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Okay. So, start with things first. They have their glue, white glue.
We have to, and then we have to use our own bowl.
Now we have to use our own bowl. Pour us. Okay.
There's some glue here. Just get this spoon. This is so tiny.
We have this big spoon because we don't like how like little spoons are, and we mix it in. It just, I don't know. But this is just like the like how much stuff to put in there and whatever. See,
it's white glue. Look.
Clarify that already, but yeah, there it is.
And this slime glue.
So this is what you put inside, and oh guys, look, it comes with white.
Crunchy beads.
Yeah. More crunchy beads. Okay, sorry we're interrupted by our brother. He came in here. And then we have glitter glue.
And then we have
Okay, then we have glitters. We have this kind of glitter.
then we have
this kind of glitter. And that.
color sand.
This is like color sand, like the quicksand thing. So this is probably what the sand is for. She wants to try it out, but I don't know how we're supposed to make it. I mean, we have to look at the instructions on the box and see if there's some instructions on the box on how to make it. And then it comes with this spoon.
We're just saying what it comes with. We're not gonna use this though. And then it comes with this.
It comes comes with this. Just in case you lose the spoon or break it. Here's something.
Here's some more. That's a glitter glue.
Here's some more glitter
Can you
glue.
show them glitter glue? This one?
Yeah. I like this color.
And then, wait, I should have showed you this glow in the dark powder.
And then you can take a little closer look at it. It's glow in the dark powder. You can see it says right there. Right there. And then comes the food dye.
But we already have our own.
Yeah. This is yellow dye.
And eyeballs.
Red dye.
I'm sorry, you can tell them what it is.
Blue dye. And then we have Google eyes or slime eyes. I don't know. Maybe we can just decorate our slime with this. Yeah.
You know, people sometimes make the Google eyes in their slime with their teeth.
Yeah. So this is like all crunchy stuff over here, guys. This is crunchy stuff. This is glitter. Sorry, guys.
I don't know.
Crunchy stuff.
Probably to make the glitter.
I don't know. Open it. So this is like all the crunchy stuff. Here's all the glitter. This is stuff to mix with.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just, tell them what this is.
Okay. This is the container to put stuff in. It comes with a container.
And it comes with another container, but we're going to show you.
Yeah, she's going to open that container. So this is sodium. It's sodium.
It is?
It says right here. It says
What
sodium.
is sodium?
I don't know.
I don't know what sodium means. This is so cool.
Look at
guys.
the
Look.
warnings.
This is so cool.
Yeah, I like that one.
Me too. I love this one.
So yeah, we have our glitter, something to mix with.
Yeah,
We have
got
all our
some-
sand, dye.
We have another one.
This is another sodium. It's like
Wait, this is the same one. This one, but it's smaller.
this one is like hard pieces in it. I think it's like all chunked up in there. I don't know. This one's bigger, smaller, and then
Another container.
containers.
Wait, this is another container that was smaller in.
Yeah. So
Wait! We don't have another thing. There's another container.
this is another container, but much more bigger. I like these clear containers so you can actually see the container, see what's inside of it. Okay, so now, so these are sands. We're gonna look on the box and see if there's some instructions and yeah, to see what the instructions are, and then we're gonna find out what the sodium is for. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we did find the instructions. She has them. She says she wants to make some slime, so yeah, we are. So we have it all organized. All over there and right there. So, crunchy stuff. You can have like crunchy beads and eyeballs for it or those.
Let's make this one. This one.
Confetti slime gloop. Okay.
Confetti.
Yes, confetti. So we have to use these.
There's the rainbow. Slime glue.
I think this is what these are for. Or these, the beads. Okay, so we're trying to figure out. She wants to make this one. Rainbow slime glue. So I don't know. So we're gonna be right back if we figure out like what we can. What is that? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be right back. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's the whole entire slime kit. What it comes with.
This video is just showing you a slime kit.
Is that what we're doing?
Actually, we'll make it.
So I guess we're gonna be showing you what it is and making it. We are not sure what the sand pack is for. So if you guys know, can you please comment what you do with it, please? I don't know what you do with slime kit. I mean, what you do with the sand stuff. I don't know, but it's like neon.
Packets.
Yeah, sand packets. I don't know what you do with these. We don't know, but we know what these crunchy stuff is for. She's been always wanting crunchy slime. Yep. Always been wanting it, haven't you? That's easy. Okay, alright. So, I asked her, well, we asked her mom what is the sodium. She says probably like borax. If y'all know what sodium, comment what you know what sodium is for, and comment what you think these are. So, we have 2 sodium packs. So, yeah, 2. But we still have our borax water. So, I think we might make a video of making the slime, or we might add the video of making slime.
Shoo shoo! Get out of here.
So who is it?
Hit you with this thing. He's trying to keep playing around.
Yeah.
I can't do it right now.
So it's up to her if she wants to add the slime making to showing y'all.
Show me. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you did,
I'll show you it. No, we'll make it sad things.
yeah, we'll make a satisfying slime video right after this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment.
Yeah, make sure you do that.
And we're still having a slime giveaway. So if we get to 10 subscribers, then yay. Well, if we get to 10 subscribers. Yeah.
Someone give me some soup. Give me some soup.
Like if you want crunchy slime, we have to get to 10 subscribers.
First, if we don't get 10 subscribers, then no crunchy slime.
Yep. Or if you want quicksand.
Get to 10 subscribers.
Yeah. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.